Welcome to our Cloudtap display here at Home Base in Subiaco. Come on and let me give you a quick tour. On this side we've got our design series. These are designed, built and tested just down the road in Osborne Park. Our standard covers are surf, mist, dune and monument, or we can customise them to suit you and your home. These come fully assembled and pressure tested and can be installed in under an hour. Plumbers are loving them. All of our systems are super flexible. They can be installed on the wall or freestanding. Speaking of flexible, on the wall behind me we've got the Essential series. These ones have got a smaller footprint and are available in 2 and 3 stage models. You can add covers, gauges, freestanding mounts and all kinds of other accessories. Sediment, chlorine, limescale or heavy metals. We've currently got 10 different filter packs available, and by the time you're seeing this we'll probably have even more. Looks like these ones don't have any filters in them, but we don't typically install on plywood. Yours definitely will. If you're looking for limescale reduction without the hassle, the Scale Clear is a fantastic product and definitely the one for you. Zero power, zero waste and zero maintenance. These will last up to 20 years and come with a 12-month money-back guarantee. Install standalone or pair it with any whole home filtration system. There's no need to remember everything I just said. That's what the QR codes are for. If you like what you see, come visit us just down the road. Our Australian-made systems are designed and built locally, and our friendly team would love to help you find the right one for you and your home. Before you leave, don't forget to grab a brochure from the front desk so you can take all the information home with you. And if inspiration strikes later, you'll find everything you need at cloudtap.com.au.